Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga 990. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Conga 990 has suddenly stopped moving, you're not alone. This issue can arise for several reasons, including a jammed wheel or a malfunctioning motor. If left unrepaired, it can lead to further damage and a more costly repair down the line. So, let's get started on fixing it. To repair your Conga 990, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement motor, and possibly some lubricating oil. Make sure you have all these tools handy before we begin. First, let's safely open your Conga 990. Start by turning the device upside down and locating the screws that secure the base. Using your screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, ensuring you keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base off. Be cautious of any clips that may hold it in place. Now, let's find the faulty component. The motor is usually located near the center of the device. Look for any signs of wear or damage. If you see a broken or burnt-out motor, this is likely the culprit. To extract it, disconnect any cables attached to the motor. It's important to remember how these wires connect, so take a quick photo if needed. Next, remove the screws securing the motor in place. Apply a gentle amount of force to lift it out, making sure not to disturb any surrounding components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old motor is out, it's time to install the new one. Place the new motor in the same position as the old one, secure it with the screws, and reconnect the cables as they were. Ensure everything is tightly fastened, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the components. After everything is back in place, it's time to close your Conga 990. Align the base and gently press it down, ensuring all clips are secured and the screws can be reinserted. Finally, screw the base back on, and your device should be ready to test. To prevent this issue from happening again, regularly check and clean the wheels, ensuring they are free of debris. Also, consider lubricating moving parts occasionally to keep everything running smoothly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.